Millions brace for damaging winds and tornadoes as thunderstorms sweep across United States. Severe thunderstorms are tearing across the central and eastern United States. Dust storm engulfs Texas cities, grounds flights. Lava fountains erupt from Hawaii's Kilauea volcano. Severe thunderstorms are tearing across the central and eastern United States this week, with the millions of the Americans bracing for the damaging winds, hail, and possibility of the tornadoes. The first days of the March have arrived, and atmosphere is already bringing strong storms. Forecasters from the AccuWeather warn that a powerful storm system is moving eastward beginning on Monday night, and it will continue through Wednesday, causing widespread disruptions. The storm, which started in the Rockies, brings cold air to the northern plains, creating snow from the Colorado to the Great Lakes. On the southern side of the storm, heavy rain and severe weather are expected. And what is the biggest threat? Damaging winds. Strong gusts are expected to hit Arkansas, Louisiana, and western Mississippi with the speeds up to 80 miles per hour. And by Wednesday, the storm will move into the Greater Lakes, spreading powerful winds along the east coast. Thunderstorms will move quickly through the region, but they could still have a significant impact. The main threat will be high wind gusts, along the risk of tornadoes, hail, and flash flooding. And these winds could lead to a significant damage and power outages. Meanwhile, dust storm engulfs Texas cities, grounds flights, and a powerful dust storm swept through the state of Texas on Tuesday, and a strong winds reaching up to 60 miles per hour turned the sky dark and forced major airports to halt flights. The storm kicked up dust from the western United States and pushed it eastwards throughout the day. By afternoon, it had reached the downtown Dallas, reducing the visibility to just 2 miles, similar to the foggy day. Austin and San Antonio were next in the storm's path just as the evening commute began. The dust may reach the Houston later on Tuesday night as the winds continue to push the dust eastward. A lava fountains erupt from the Hawaii's Kilauea volcano. Hawaii's Kilauea volcano is putting on a fiery display. Lava fountains shot 150 to 165 feet into the air on Tuesday, with the eruption expected to continue. The eruption began on December 23rd and has since become a regular occurrence. Tuesday marked the 12th episode, with the lava flows growing more continuous on the afternoon. And despite the impressive sight, no residential areas are at risk. Visitors are flocking to the Hawaii Volcanoes National Park to catch the glimpse of the red-hot lava. And that's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.